Hello everyone, let us learn about photosynthesis process today. Let's start with me. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. The plant draws up water through its roots. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air. The leaves trap energy from sunlight. The plant uses the energy of sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into sugars and oxygen. The plant releases oxygen into the air. The plant uses sugars for growth. This is all about photosynthesis. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.